All right, let's just cut to the chase. The old way of building software, it's dead. Completely. For years, you needed a whole team, a fancy degree, and months of cash just to get started. That whole playbook is now officially garbage. I'm going to show you how we went from just an idea to a live, working SaaS product in, get this, 15 minutes. And we did it with nothing more than a single prompt.
So here's the thing, right? Everyone is obsessed with building the next massive bloated app, the next unicorn. But we realized that's not where the game is anymore. The real opportunity? It's in these tiny single-function microtools, the ones that solve one specific, super boring problem, but solve it perfectly. And the absolutely insane part? The cost? The barrier to build one of these? It just went to zero. It's gone.
You have to really let this sink in. This isn't just a small change. We've jumped from a world where building software was this complex, gate-kept thing, you had to have expensive engineers, to a new reality where creation is, well, it's instant. It's all driven by AI now. You're not just the person with the idea anymore. You're the architect, and AI is your entire construction crew, on call, 24/7.
Okay, so look at this. This breaks it down perfectly. The old world on the left, man, I've lived that. That's a team of engineers burning through cash, taking months to ship one tiny feature. The new world on the right, that's you. A good prompt and 15 minutes. It's not just a different set of rules, it's a completely different sport. So what is a microtool exactly? Look, forget building the next big social media platform. Think way, way smaller. Think laser-focused. A little utility that does one boring thing perfectly, like an invoice generator for a freelancer or a tool that cleans up YouTube timestamps. And here's the key insight, right? The ROI. Because the cost to build and deploy one of these is now zero, any value you get from it means the return is literally infinite. Okay, so at some point we realized we need a system for this, a repeatable playbook. So we started experimenting. We were looking for the absolute fastest, zero-friction path from I have an idea to here's a live app. And this wasn't some lucky guess. We literally brute forced it. We tested over 20 different stacks, one by one, until we found the cheat code.
And yeah, this is the maze we had to navigate. We tried everything the so-called experts tell you. React, Vercel, AWS, Heroku, all of it. And you know what? Every single one had way too much friction. Too many config files, too much setup time. It was a complete nightmare. We went through all that pain so you don't have to. We weren't trying to find the proper way to do it. We were looking for the cheat code. And we found it.
Okay, look how simple this is. This is it, the golden stack. 3 parts. First, you've got the brain. That's your LLM. Right now, Claude 3.5 is just on another level for code, but GPT 4.0 works great too. Second, the storage. GitHub, it's free, everyone uses it, simple. And then, this is the secret weapon, the cheat code, Streamlit. This is the magic right here. It takes a Python script and just poof, creates the entire front end for you. No HTML, no CSS, zero headache.
All right, so now for the exact protocol. This is the formula. Don't try to get creative here. Don't overthink it. Just follow these steps blindly, and I guarantee you'll have a live app at the end of it. It's just 2 simple phases.
Okay, phase A is the setup. You only do this once. It takes, 5 minutes? Step 1, get a GitHub account. If you don't have one, seriously, just get one. It's basically your new resume anyway. Step 2, create a Streamlit Cloud account. Connect it to your GitHub. Boom, done. Setup complete. All right, now for the fun part, phase B. This is the creation loop. This is what you do every time you have a new idea. Step 1, the God mode prompt. You just tell the AI what you want in plain English. Step 2, the copy-paste dance. The AI spits out some code, you create 2 files in GitHub, and you just paste it in. And step 3, the magic button. You go into Streamlit, find your new project, and hit deploy. That's literally it, the whole process. Okay, theory is great, but talk is cheap. Let's actually build something. Right now, we're going to use this exact protocol to build a tool that's actually useful. An AI email polisher. Something that takes your messy draft and makes it sound professional. And check this out. This is the exact God mode prompt we gave to Claude. Look how simple it is. It's not code. It's just a conversation. Create a Streamlit app. Give it a text box, a dropdown for tone, add a button. We even told it to make it look cool. Dark mode and sleek. See? You're not a coder here. You're a director, and the AI is your super competent engineer. Now this is where it gets absolutely crazy. We actually priced this out. 5 years ago. 5.
If you wanted this exact tool built by a freelancer, you're looking at minimum $5,000 and a few weeks of work. Today, with this stack, the cost is zero. The time is 15 minutes. The economics of this are just completely broken in a good way.
And the result? About, 45 seconds after hitting that deploy button, you have a live, sleek, professional-looking app. It's got its own unique URL you can share with anyone. The entire thing, from idea to live product, took less time than it takes to make a cup of coffee. It's wild. Okay, let's just zoom out for a second. What we just did, building a real web app without a single line of code, this has huge implications. This changes everything. The old gatekeepers of software, the ones who said you had to code, they're officially irrelevant now.
Now look, to be clear, this isn't the only tool out there. We're always testing the landscape. V0 from Vercel, insane for UI, but you gotta know some React to make it work. Replit Agent is super powerful for the backend, but it costs money. There are new things like Bolt.new coming up too. But for our specific goal, maximum speed, zero cost, nothing we've tested even comes close to this golden stack.
So here's the final verdict, the actionable takeaway for you. It's simple. If you want to build a tool today, like right now, use Streamlit. It's the fastest, cheapest path from idea to a real thing, period. Now, if you want to build a business tomorrow, something that needs to scale to millions of users, okay, yeah, at some point you'll need to look at things like V0 and Next.js. But for God's sake, start here. Ship something first. And this brings us to the final, most important point. The technical barrier? It's gone. It's completely vaporized. So if you have an idea for a tool right now and you're not building it, your excuse can't be, I don't know how to code anymore. That's lazy. The question isn't, can I build it? The question is, will I build it? The tools are right here. Go ship something.